It's the final Trucks Gone Wild event of 2018, and it's all going down November 16th and 17th at Twittys Mud Bog in Ulmer, South Carolina. Last year was a record-breaking event, and this year is looking to be even better. Racing will begin Friday evening. It continues throughout Saturday, and make sure you do not miss the legendary bonfire parties each night. It's the final Trucks Gone Wild event of 2018 at Twittys Mud Bog. For all the information you need, check out Twittys Mud Bog and Trucks Gone Wild online right now.